would like to present about the task 3 on the bot database data engineering module. So in the task 3, what we need to do, we just need to do extract data row in the MySQL database and set it to the locate dates in the structure format using Apache 95. So before we using the 95, we doing the 95 task 3, we just need to download the 95 folder and 96 folder and extract in the local C, and then you can see like that, and then go in there and just go in ping and click on the CMD and you will see like that, and run 95 dot cmd dot c. So it will running, it will running. So let me make sure 95 dot cmd. Let me just stop and run it again. 95 dot cmd. Stop. So you will see like that. Okay, it's still running. So you, after the running stop, you can see the folder here, and then just go in the log in folder and click on the 95 add. You will see like that. So you just set the localhost 8443. So you see localhost, just copy and paste on your web browser. So this is copy the paste and already paste. Paste again. It takes so. Why? Maybe my connection. Let's wait. Let's wait a moment. I think I need to use PM. Let's go again. Why is no? Okay, I think. Oh, so I think I don't need to log in because I'm already logged in. So if you didn't log in already, you just type the user name in here, and you will see like the username and password, and just copy and paste on the username in the login. So in the I've got into our test tree. We are I creating the process group. This is my process group. I'm naming my SQL to locate. And in this the process group, I create three processor. SQL record update attribute and attribute and port file. So in the SQL record, and in the SQL record, I set the database connection pool service to the data TCP connection pool, and then also the SQL query for the slash start from the book and record writer is CSV record writer because we just want to generate with the CSV format. So that's why I set the CSV record writer. And then in the relationship, we just set the terminate, and then also the scheduling is the 1 hour because the 0 second is already set. We are setting manually 1 hour because if you are setting the 1 second and the process is running again, they are set. So in this the update attribute, the attribute you can I look this already 100, and the file name I already add a new attribute with the which is the file name. So because the file name is book.csv because we want to generate with the CSV file, so I name it this CSV file to the book.csv in the relationships. There, not there, there. Okay, so port file we just in the property, and we are paste in our file we want to put the file location, and the file location we want to put, and this is the file location, the scheduling second. So and also and the data connection pool in savage connection pool savage. Sorry, not that one. So see the data, we add the database connection URL, the database driver class name, and database driver location. For the database DDBC, it is driver class. So connection form. So this database driver location we are just download. We need to download for the MySQL jar file. MySQL jar file. Here is the MySQL jar file, and extract in the under location and go to the MySQL you will see like that MySQL and copy that file. Copy copy that file and paste in the line file library, so you will see like that. So you just copy and this file location and here and paste in here, and this is your database username, and this is your database password. So just apply on that. So you will see after the applying you will see like that, so you just need to run on that, run the process. Don't run in the processor until you see the code 1. So you see it's already code 0. So don't run the next processor until you see the code 1. So you see the code 1, so just run next processor. So you see the code 1, so just run next processor. So you will see, can check. You see like, you see So this is the CSV format. So you see the data. So this is you see the data in there. So that is all for the test 3 on our data engineering. Thank you for watching me, and and let me stop my presenting here. Thank you so much.